Hi everyone! Nandito tayo ngayon sa Azalea Hotels and Residences, Boracay. So sa video na to, itutur ko kayo sa mga facilities and amenities and syempre dun sa room na pinagstayan namin dito sa Azalea, Boracay. Samahan niyo ako. Recently, we were invited by Azalea Hotels and Residences in Boracay for a familiarization tour of the island and also to check out their hotel and to experience the new Boracay. Located at Station 2, Azalea Hotels and Residences Boracay is a serviced apartment hotel that offers spacious hotel rooms and serviced apartments, fully furnished with separate bedrooms, living area, dining, and kitchen facilities. So our room is located at the fourth floor, which is a spacious deluxe room that is good for 2 persons. So this is our room. Meron siyang dalawang single beds. Ayan. And then meron din siyang isang living area dito sa tabi. As you could see, meron din siyang malaking work desk. So very spacious nung room. What I like most about this room is that meron din siyang kitchen na you could use if you want to cook something. So ideal siya for families or long-staying guests na who wants to prepare their own food. So meron din siyang mini ref. And here is the toilet and bath. Kompleto rin siya with toiletries. So may conditioner, shampoo, and hot soap as well as clean towels. Now let's go up to the roof deck. Check naman natin yung swimming pool ng Azalea Hotels and Residences. So basically, meron silang dalawang pool area. This one is the main pool, which has a very nice view of Boracay Station 2, yung beach area, and then yung mga malalapit na hotels. Ayan, so on this side, this one naman yung parang function area. And then from here, maganda rin yung view nung buong hotel. Ayan, meron sila rito parang covered na area where you could do some events or gatherings. Maganda rin dito magstay if you just want to, lounge or tambay lang while enjoying the pool. This one naman yung another pool area nila, which is on the other side. So this is mababaw lang. So parang for kids lang siya. So maganda rin tong area na to kasi meron din siyang lounging area dun sa side. Ayan, nice. Maganda rito for sunset viewing sa hapon para while enjoying the pool. If you get hungry naman, meron silang Kuya J sa loob mismo ng resort. So we enjoyed some halo-halo from Kuya J's. So isa sa mga distinctive features ng mga rooms sa Azalea is yung kitchen. So as part of our activity, nagkaroon kami ng parang cook-off challenge na binigyan kami ng mga ingredients and pinag-isip kami kung ano yung gusto naming lutuin. So,
Our inspiration namin is Azalea. Nalalaan ko yun sa explanation. So, dalawang kinds of lupa. So, first is yung spicy chicken and
This is our naughty and nice chicken. Sa Tagalog, sa pula, sa puti. Our inspiration for this is of course Azalea. Choose your side, and these are the soups, or like the sauces. You don't know.
ito yung spicy.
Yes. The naughty and the nice. The pula, the puti.
Nakakakaba pala.
so noon naman, isi-share ko sa inyo yung mga different activities na ginawa namin while we were in Boracay.
Nakalimutan nila.
Nakalimutan, okay. I'm John.
Serious na.
Bernie.
And I'm Arwin.
Arwin.
Hello.
Arwin. Babae, lalaki. So currently nandito tayo sa Station 3. So this is Station 3. We have 3 stations in Boracay. The Station 3, Station 2, and Station 1. So this is called the Long Beach or the White Beach. It's about 4 kilometers long. Okay? So mamaya, we have 3 stations, but then mamaya makikita natin going to Puka Beach, meron tayong tinatawag na Station 0. Local dialects. Okay? There are also 2 story. Dalawang kwento about sa name ng Boracay. So the first one, the name Boracay was derived from the word Bura, which means bubbles. Yun. Kasi, may try yung mamaya to. Libreng tubig. White. Bukay. Bukay. Because of the white sand, Bukay. Nagkanan. So, sabi niya,
Pwede man. Naman na daw, hindi ko sa pinamito doon na. Ikaw. I believe, go.
eh ano?
Mas fun sa makita ko sa
Deo and
Hi po! Welcome to my channel!
May review tayo.
Pusit, yan, pansit. Ano ba to? Adobo? Yan.
yung kamay-kamay siya.
May torta pa, oh. Tsaka liempo.
Ayan, pangit naman ang blue band niya. Ay,
Ang bakit nga na ano ko, parang iba yung hinawakan.
Kain na ba? Go! Kain na tayo. kasama na.
So there you have it. Sobrang nag-enjoy kami sa Boracay adventure na ito with Azalea Hotels and Residences. So since malapit na ang summer, check out Azalea Hotel and Residences and marami kayong mga adventures pa na and activities na pwedeng gawin sa Boracay. So don't forget to subscribe and to click the bell notification button para updated kayo sa mga susunod ko pang videos. Happy travels!